Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel CS with Alam. In this video we are going to solve the complete exercise of chapter 78. So let's start it. Question number 1 is what word is used in all statements that move the browser backward and forward? That word is history. Check your answer. Answer is correct. Next question. In addition to history, a dot and a semicolon at the end. There are two characters that are always part of statement that moves browser backward and forward. Type the characters in the order in which they appear. And please check your answer. Answer is correct. Next question. What key press has the same effect as history.back? Answer with lowercase characters. Backspace. Next question. The browser is on page 1.html. There is no history. The statement history.go into -1 executes. What page does browser land on? It will land on page 1.html. Next question. Drag and drop direct the browser to go back one URL. Okay. History.back brackets and semicolon. Check our code against the correct code. So our code is correct. Now close it. I will hit I got it right. Next question, direct the browser to skip two URLs ahead. Okay. History.go bracket to URL to bracket semicolon. Answer is correct. Next question, direct the browser to skip one URL ahead. Don't use history.go one. Okay. We'll use history.forward method and semicolon. Answer is correct. Next question, direct the browser to back up one URL without using the word go. Okay, we'll use history.back. Back. Check your answer and answer is correct. Next question, direct the browser to skip ahead one URL without using the word go. Okay, history.forward bracket brackets and semicolon. Check your answer. Answer is correct. Next question. What is the alternative way to code history.back? The alternative way to code this is history.go and we'll pass -1. Semicolon and check. Answer is correct. Next question. The user clicked a link to reach the current page. Assign the URL that contain the link to a variable which hasn't been declared before. So for this, we will take a variable, for example, where it came from. I took a variable and will use document dot refer semicolon. Check your answer and answer is correct. Next question. The user was previously on homepage at v.com. You have coded this statement. Okay. Enter value of where it came from for enter value of this for each of these cases. The user enter a URL in address bar. The user click a link. The user click a bookmark. Enter each answer on a separate line. Omit the numbers. Just enter each value. Okay. Single quotes in this code. Enter URL in address bar first of all. Second, click a link http colon slash slash www dot v.com, and the last one is single quotes. Check your answer. Answer is correct. Next question. What word is used in all statement that move browser backend and for already हमने first MCQs ही यही किया, first mark ही यही किया, so it's correct. What key press has the same effect as the history.back? Answer in lowercase, so that was backspace. ये भी अभी हमने किया था. इसके बाद आ रहा है the browser is on page 1.html. There is no history. The statement is this: execute. What page does before land on? It will land on page 1.html. Our answer is correct. Next question: direct the history to back up one URL without using the word go. Okay, history dot back function method. Answer is correct. Next question: direct the browser to skip ahead one URL without using the word go. So we will use forward. History.forward semicolon. Check your answer. Answer is correct. What is the alternative way to code history.back? For this we'll use go -1. History, ये भी हमने किया था history dot go and we will pass -1 semicolon. Check our answer. Answer is correct. Next question: the user click a link to reach the current page. Assign the URL that contain the link to a variable which hasn't been declared beforehand. So ये भी अभी हमने किया था where हमने यूज किया था where it came from equal document dot referrer document dot referrer. I hope the spelling will be correct. So check your answer. Answer is correct. Okay, the user was previously on the home page at v.com. You encoded this. Enter the value of where it came from for each of these. You write the user enter a URL in address bar. The user click a link. The user click a bookmark. So it should be empty one, and we'll write here link, for example, http colon slash slash www.v.com, and again I will move to next line and I will hit check our answer. Our answer is not correct. What is the issue? Just the spelling issue. No risk, we will correct it. Next question: the user was previously on the home page at v.com. You have coded this statement. जो अभी था वही हमने गलत किया था, तो दोबारा से कर लेते हैं इंटर http://www.v.com and colon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct and our exercise is completed. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for next exercise. Allah Hafiz.